Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Juice Extractor. It's a great product to use when you want to make sure that your family gets all of the proper nutrients that they need and get lots of servings of fruits and vegetables every day. It's really easy to use. It has this little dial here which goes from 0 to 5, and on the lower speed you can do softer fruits like citrus. We're going to do some oranges, and then on the high speeds you can do things like beets and pineapple that are very hard. So you just press the little button in the middle to turn it on, and like I mentioned, the first thing we're going to do is citrus. So you just put the whole thing in. It's 3 inches, and you're going to get your fresh juice right off the bottom. You can also do things like apples. We're going to put some apples in, whole apples. And look how quickly you get fresh, flavorful juice. It's really, really easy to do. And this product actually has a film management system. So you can turn this dial here and it adjusts actually the flow of the juice and also the foam. So you can, because the foam management system works with a disc inside. The other thing that's really easy to do is open the lid. We give you a great brush so you can actually scrub out the interior, and you just press it to close. It's really, really easy to operate. It comes with the pitcher, and like I mentioned, you can also use the spout to turn off the juice all the way. It's made out of die cast, and stainless. It also has 1,000 watts of power, so you have lots of great power to get all fresh, flavorful juices right at home with the Cuisinart Juice Extractor.